Let's start with the issue they're talking about, the issue that all investors are talking about, and that is the coronavirus. You said that Europe could take a severe short-term hit, but can you be any more specific about what you see happening now?
What we see, like everyone else, I think the base case is a V-shape. So, I mean, number one is let's see how quickly the spread of the virus is contained. The sooner that happens, then the more confidence that this would be indeed something that is mostly in quarter 1, maybe spilling over into quarter 2. But from our perspective, I mean, our main focus is on the year end, going into next year and the year after. So for us as monetary policymakers, if this is indeed contained, even if there is a hit in terms of the initial weeks of 2020, if the recovery happens as we expect, then in terms of the medium-term policy challenge, it remains something that is not going to change our base case. But it's definitely a downside risk until we see the containment, until we see the recovery after that. We have to keep a close eye.
Well, one of the big issues is this could be a supply chain disruption. Monetary policy can't fix that. So what are the odds that the ECB would take any action?
Well, this goes back to, again, any supply chain disruption. If it's a matter of weeks, it doesn't change the medium-term path for the economy. So really, we think the main mechanism, by the way, is obviously through Chinese demand. With lower spending in China because of what has been necessary to contain the virus, obviously spending levels in China are different than they would have been. The supply chain scenario does exist. We're tracking it, we look at it, but so long as these are delays in delivery of goods, so long as these remain temporary in nature, then it's not a dramatic issue for the medium-term horizon.